Hey there, welcome to Scribble Practice. Last week I did this little spread here, which I didn't love, although these flowers were kind of cool. But I did really like this little person guy, so I don't know, I'm feeling like I'm gonna play around with that today. I'm still not 100%, so you may find that I don't talk a lot in this video. And we will just, I would love for you to follow along. It's pretty easy. Just gonna do sort of a loopy rainbow shape and fill that in. And then a circle on top. Nothing too fancy. I'm using these paint brushes that I got. I ordered them for a class because I was just curious. It was a class that the artist used these specific paint brushes. But I ordered the long ones by mistake, and I really don't like long brushes. I find they get in my way or something. I don't really like them. Actually, maybe I'll just, let's see if I can break it. Ah, sweet. Ah, so much better. Just so you know, they weren't expensive brushes, so I'm not too fussed about them. Didn't leave much room for the head on this one. So I'm feeling like I should spritz these watercolors. I am using watercolor today. Didn't mention that. You don't need to use watercolor though to do this. You could use markers or pencil crayons or crayons. Pretty much anything goes. Just doing a bunch of half circles and circles put together. I kind of wish I did more of an orange there, so maybe I'll add some orange in. It's too orangey now. Oh well. Then you can use any color without fussing about. When I'm putting the heads on, I'm kind of thinking about what might be fun colors to try together. So there's some experimenting happening. Maybe you want to do the same. getting a little bit curious about what it might be like to do some different sizes of these. Instead of all sort of big, can I make some small ones? So I'm following that curiosity. Decide what color to put with the bronzy. Well, this was my first curiosity, so I'll go with it. Yeah, that was really fun. I think that's done for today, although maybe I need a little, I'm gonna do a little, like the bottom of a person here. Maybe down a little bit lower. Fill in that space a bit. I'm just wondering if I want to put the top of a head here to sort of, I don't know if balance it out is the right word, but sort of demonstrate. I don't know. Anyway. There. Now it feels like it continues a bit more. Okay. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this. I will see you again tomorrow for another scribble practice. If you'd like to do another one right now, right here. I'll see you then. Bye.